What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. Hacker29888 here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your skin on Minecraft. So what you need to do is go to Minecraft. You need to type it in, and then you just wait for it to come up, and if it doesn't work, then, and here we are. So yeah, you go to minecraftskins.net, and this is the exact website that you have to go on, and then you go to any skin. Category you want, and once you're in the skin category that you want to choose, then you go ahead and choose the skin. So what you need to do next is just click on the skin, and if you're not interested in this category, then you go to a new skin category, and then you choose the skin you want here, and then you go to next to see what all is on here, and on that, and once you find the skin you want, you just click on it, and then you click download, and then you wait a little bit, then you go to your Minecraft. And then you just wait for your Minecraft to load, and once the Minecraft launcher is loaded, you go to skin, then you go to browse, then you look for the skin that you downloaded. It may take a little bit if you have lots of skins on. So you just look for the skin that you just downloaded. And then you just select it. And like I said, it may take a little bit. But if you start to lose hope, and then if you start to lose hope, then you just choose a random skin. And then you click save. And then there's your skin.